friends, how are you? This stock market channel provided with good information related to stock market in easy and simple manner. We are giving information only for study and knowledge purpose. Don't take any action with after watching this video. Okay, now we are discussing about today video. How to create 10,000 portfolio with good stocks on easiest and very low risk and high probability to gain money. These four segments we are taking to divide it different sectors and four way of sectors. These sectors are having top players we are taking to invest in this video. First, we are taking financial sector. Second, IT sector. Third, consumer sector. Fourth, industrial sector. Next, financial sector. In financial sector, we are taking two banks. One is private sector bank and one is public sector bank. In private sector bank, we are taking HDFC Bank. We know very well about HDFC Bank, but we taking brief information about HDFC Bank. In private sector, the top number one place in HDFC Bank only. Less debt company, less NPS and good profits and given good dividends to yearly to their shareholders. This company business is diversified and we are know well about Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank is high weightage. That's why most times HDFC Bank in moving Bank Nifty into positive or negative. Going to another bank, that is SBI. It is a public sector bank. We are well know about SBI Bank. We are seeing almost all areas in SBI branches. That is good sign for their company. High customer satisfaction company and high market capital. They're having less diversified and loan book, good promoters and their market capital is good sign. This company providing high quality products. That's why this company is in top place in public sector. Now we going to IT sector. We are taking in IT sector Infosys. This is large company in IT sector and second place in IT sector, consolidating and technology outsourcing and next generation digital services provided company, debt free company, healthy dividend company. Almost 9 countries their business is diversified: Indian, USA, Singapore and now next move to consumer sector. We are taking here in next generation FMCG company ITC. You know very well about ITC. It is Indian Tobacco Corporation Limited. But their business is diversified in FMCG sector and hotels and packing and paper boards and special paper. But their CEO words, we are moving to the next few generations with FMCG sector. That means they are moving to their business fulfill into consumer sector. That's why we are taking ITC. The company has very less debt and good dividend paid company and high cash flow company. Moving to industrial sector. In industrial sector, we are focusing L&T, Laser and Turbo. This company has been maintaining good dividends and free cash flow. This company having providing full infrastructure in development and operations. This company having diversified business and good operating profits. All government projects almost L&D will focusing. Their chairman words, gross fixed capital will improve FY18 to FY19 in 31% to 32% in approximately. That means there is fixed capital will improving. That is good. Please subscribe Learn Today channel. This channel provided free stock market information. If you like videos, please subscribe and share and comment and follow in our Facebook and Twitter also. In future, we are improving Telegram channel also.